Repeat after me and practice English with this story.
5 years ago, I stopped my life. My name is Adam. I am 28 years old. I live in a small town. Life here is slow and quiet. When I was 22, I had big dreams. I wanted to study more. I wanted a better job. I wanted to leave my town. But my family needed me. They said, "Stay, help us. You can go later." I believed them. So I stayed. Every day looks the same. I wake up early. I go to work. I come back home. I eat. I sleep. I repeat. People say, "You are a good man." I smile, but inside I feel empty. At night I sit alone. I look at the wall. I think about my dreams. Where are they now? Sometimes I ask myself, is this my life forever? I feel tired, not in my body, in my heart. One day I meet an old friend. He asks me, "Are you happy here?" I don't answer. I just smile. But my heart says, "No." That night I cannot sleep. I think about time. I think about my life. I understand something important. Waiting too long can stop your dreams. The next morning I make a small decision, not a big one, a small one. I open my laptop. I look at old papers. I read about studying again. My hands shake, but my heart feels light. I don't know my future. I don't have a plan. But today I choose to start. This is my story, a life I put on hold.